Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to use ChatGPT in the PostGrid plugin. Go to the PostGrid settings and go to ChatGPT tab. Here you have to add OpenAI API key to use it. It is easy to create a secret key. Just give a name and click on the Create Secret Key button. Copy your key and paste in the PostGrid settings field. You can select OpenAI models, response time and max tokens limit. Now go to Add New Post. Click on the ChatGPT button on top. Choose Settings for your OpenAI. You can select either plain text or with HTML tag for writing style. Let's try to write with ChatGPT. Enter your prompt and click Enter. You can reformat content. Let's try to make content longer. It's now generate longer contents. You can formatting content in WordPress text editor also. Let's enter another prompts to generate contents. You can regenerate content if you are not satisfied. You can make it longer and shorter. Easily format your content with text editor. That's how you can use ChatGPT with the PostGrid plugin. Thanks for watching.